Most guys assume their penis stays the same size all the time. But is that actually true? Here's a surprising fact. Your penis length can change throughout the day, and that's perfectly normal. In this video, we'll explain why, and what it might be telling you about your health. Hey there, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and this channel gives real, science-backed answers to the questions most men over 50 are too embarrassed to ask. Today's question: is the penis always the same length? Short answer: no. Long answer: let's dive in. 1. Flaccid versus erect size, big growers, small showers. Some men have a small flaccid penis that grows significantly when erect, growers. Others have a larger flaccid penis that grows less, showers. Both are normal, and neither is better. 2. Temperature and shrinkage. In cold weather, blood vessels constrict, penis temporarily shrinks. Warmth relaxes the tissue, it looks longer and fuller. Stress and fear can cause the same shrinking reflex. 3. Blood flow and arousal. Penis size depends on how much blood it's holding. Flaccid size varies minute to minute based on circulation, hydration, and even body position. Good erections depend on healthy blood vessels, nerves, and testosterone. 4. Aging and hormones. Over time, you might notice a slight natural reduction in length or girth. This is due to lower testosterone, reduced elasticity of tissues, weaker pelvic floor muscles. But with good health habits, you can slow or even reverse some of this. My penis is shrinking permanently. Most day-to-day changes are temporary. True permanent shrinkage only happens over years, and often due to health conditions like low T, poor circulation. I need to be the same size as when I was 20. Bodies change with age, and that includes the penis. What matters most is function, not size. Stay active. Exercise improves circulation and testosterone. Don't smoke. It narrows blood vessels. Maintain a healthy weight. Belly fat lowers testosterone. Do Kegels. Strengthen the pelvic floor for firmer erections. Reduce stress. Chronic stress kills libido and circulation. So, is the penis always the same length? Not at all. It's constantly changing based on blood flow, mood, temperature, and health. And that's nothing to be ashamed of. It's how your body is built. If this helped ease your worries or busted a myth, give it a like, and hit subscribe for honest men's health talk every week. And check out our video on the size of the penis is related to the size of the hands, nose, or feet. It goes even deeper.